Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Hugging Face in Action, written by Wei-Meng Lee.
Hugging Face is an AI community that fosters the development, training, and deployment of open-source machine learning models. It offers state-of-the-art models for various domains, including natural language processing, NLP, computer vision, and audio tasks. Besides providing machine learning tools, Hugging Face hosts pre-trained models and datasets. Positioned at the forefront of the AI revolution, Hugging Face enables a new wave of applications leveraging vast data. Complementary technologies, such as prototyping tools for LLM-based applications, are also emerging. Developers can now focus on creating AI-based apps rather than building neural networks from scratch. The Transformers library is a Python package offering open-source implementations of transformer architecture models for text, image, and audio tasks. It provides APIs for developers to download and use pre-trained models, saving time and resources. For example, in this snippet, the pipeline function from the Transformers package is used to perform a text classification task. The specified model is Distilbert Base Uncased Fine-Tuned SST2 English, and its version is AF0F99B. This allows developers to perform tasks like sentiment analysis without needing to understand the underlying mechanics of text classification or model training. The Hugging Face Hub's Models page hosts many pre-trained models for various machine learning tasks. All pre-trained models are stored in repositories, and Hugging Face makes exploring these models easy. Many models have a widget that allows you to test them directly in the web browser. For instance, the Facebook DETR ResNet 50 model is a detection transformer DETR model trained using the COCO 2017 object detection dataset. You can use this model to detect objects in an image. Hugging Face provides the Hosted Inference API, allowing developers to test and evaluate models via simple HTTP requests. Gradio makes it easy to create GUIs for machine learning models. It allows developers to quickly expose their models without needing to build dedicated UIs or REST APIs. For example, Gradio can generate a web-based interface to upload an image and display its grayscale version, hosting the code locally and enabling user interaction with the model. Hugging Face AutoTrain is an AutoML tool that allows you to automatically train and deploy state-of-the-art machine learning models without writing code. It integrates seamlessly with the Hugging Face ecosystem. AutoTrain can perform tasks in vision, text, and tabular domains, such as image classification, text classification, and regression tasks. For example, to build an image classification model, you can prepare a set of images organized by folders and upload them to AutoTrain, which will automatically determine the best way to create ML models based on your dataset.
Get this book at manning.com